So I am driving behind um I think it's I think this is I think this is Lake Shasta, and I got these sticks here, and basically all it is branches from a pine tree. And I was watching this video on YouTube. This guy he got he got like a big log. I mean, yeah, like a big log, like something like that. And then he turned it into a snake. But I was thinking these here will be even better because see, um, you have the little point, the tail, and then it curves like a snake, and then it even goes up. So you would have to find one with a big, pretty big head. So, but even this, it could be cut out and curved and rounded off, so you can make the head. So you would have to like kind of make it where you could put it. See, like look at this one. This one's perfect for what I'm talking about because now this will be the head. I mean the tail, and then you could like kind of like carve it so it could look more like a tail. And then over here you have the head, and they're everywhere. They're everywhere. Look at this is a great way to make money out of trash. In a way, it's not really trash, but see, look at this one. The same idea here. See? So I don't know what the fuck you guys are doing, but you guys need to get with the fucking program. See the head over there, the tail. I mean, like I said, these things are everywhere. They're everywhere, and I just felt like sharing it. I put 2 of them in my car. But look at there's even like look at this one. This one looks super cool. Like these little ones, you guys could start off with these little ones because look at. You see those scales? See that? It looks like a real snake pattern. See even the tiny ones? See that? And they're everywhere. I'm telling you. Like look at all that. I mean, I think if there's a rattlesnake in here, it'll be completely disguised with all this debris and all this stuff. See, look at that one. That one has the little, like the little fish, the snake scales as well. So anyway, I think I made my point. And look at this one. This one is like that one. Look at that one. That one, you guys could turn that into a snake, and that would be at least 15, 20 feet long. Imagine. So what I was thinking, and this is what you guys could do, is you can make one, say 10 feet, and then hang it up on your wall, on the top of the wall, like if it's climbing on the wall. And that way you could get it off the ground, it's not in the way, and it's just art. You know, that's a great way to do it. Or, you know, decorate your outside, your yard, put it on your fence. See, that could be the snake right there. So, I remember my friend was telling me how I could make, I mean, it'll be great to make money off of free resources. And this is a free way to make money because these things are everywhere. And I'm not talking about like cutting the tree and harming the trees and stuff. I'm just talking about like stuff that's already dead and on the ground, you know? Because yeah, it could be turned into mulch. That's another great way. And that's what a lot of companies do, is they turn this stuff into mulch and they make money. And you know, there's a bunch of other ways to make money, but and you know, and there's these big tumbleweeds that will roll down in the highway, in the streets, and these people started selling them, and they're making money off of like just trash, you know. And it's not necessarily trash. I mean, it could be fixed up, and I mean, it requires your time, your skill. But think about it. You don't have to go to the store. You don't have to go to the store and spend $10 on just a piece of wood. This is free. And all you got to do is carve it a little bit, make it appear like a snake, you know, and take your time on the head of the sculpture, and you could easily sell that for $50, $100, you know, and someone will buy it because it's art. And you guys could, it doesn't have to be that crazy. You guys could start off with something small. I mean, there's these little ones, like look at this, you know. So it just requires a little bit of time, and then you guys could get the little carving tools, which I don't have, you know. But it would be cool to experiment and do it, you know, to actually do it. But yeah, like look at, there's a bunch of them. Look at this one. This one will be a good one because, well, it doesn't really have the tip, but it can still be used though. See, see, I like these right here because it has a bunch of scaly patterns. See that? That's like more like a natural look of a snake. So see that? Just with a knife, you could peel that, you could cut this, slice it, and then wherever it goes up, I mean, turn it the other way. Well, the tail could be up right here. It could be cut off right here. Or it could be the other way. The tail could be like going down. Well, I don't know. But, or it could even be cut like right here. You know, and then these scales, these little scales is what really makes this pop and appear like a snake. And I just thought about this like not that long ago. I was out here flagging for my, you know, as for the union, and I just thought about this stuff. So I decided personally to get this big long one, and then there's a smaller one. And this one, I'm planning on leaving it in my bedroom. And then like I said, I want to put some brackets on it, or like maybe put like a flat piece here. I don't know, like a little flat thing. Put a nail through it, and then put a nail on the wall. So on the wall, it'll have just one nail right here or something. I don't know. I haven't really thought about it all the way through, but I mean, it's everywhere. It's nature. It's beautiful. And it'll also help to clean up a lot of the stuff that's just out here and polluting everything, you know? So, well, it's natural stuff. It's not really polluting anything. It's biodegradable and stuff. But, I mean, you guys get the point, right? And see, they're everywhere. See, like, look at that one. That one could be turned into a snake. And I guess the more experience you have, the better you could get at this stuff. Like, look at that one. This one right here. That has like a little pointy little tail, and then it goes into the tree, and it gets really, really fat and thick. So you probably want to go with like maybe 2 or 3 inches in diameter or circumference at the end of the end, and then you could carve it, and then your head's gonna be like at least 2 inches. When you carve it out and you paint it, it's gonna look really nice, you know. And you know, yeah, there's some other ones that are super, super thick. I mean, I don't know. It's just an idea. And I just hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and you know, have fun making some money. And anyone in the world could do this. So there you go. We're providing jobs, you know, with free resources. Praise God. But I recommend that you ask your local forest people or whatever if you're allowed to take stuff. I wouldn't just take anything. I didn't ask anyone for this, so I'm lying. But that's the saying. That's the saying. Obviously, they're gonna say yes. Like, take that shit. What the fuck? I mean, it would be cool to make a fucking snake the just with one big ass motherfucking pine tree. Like, that shit would be hard as fuck too. A 20-foot, 30-foot fucking snake. I mean, that would take some time, but I mean, it could be done. And some of these are like crooked. They're not, completely straight up and down. Like this one right here, it kind of curves a little bit. Like right there, it curves a little bit. So it kind of has that swervy thing like a snake, But yeah, I'm done talking. You guys know me, I could run my mouth.